Hello friends, welcome back to KSS, Kindle Science Station, which is all about loving science kindled through toys and objects around us. In this part 1 of the video, we will understand what is an axis of an earth and what is an axial tilt. And in part 2, we will make a working model to represent this tilt. So let us start. To understand what is axis of an earth, imagine you inserted a pencil directly into the earth around which it is rotating or spinning. Replace this pencil with some imaginary line. This imaginary line then becomes the axis of an earth. But this axis of an earth is not running straight up and down, but it is tilted to an angle of about 23.5 degree. This is called an earth axial tilt, also known as obliquity. Due to this axial tilt, the sun shines on different latitudes at different angles throughout the year. This causes the seasons. As Earth orbits around the sun, its tilted axis always points in the same direction. So throughout the year, different part of Earth gets the sun's direct rays. In December, due to this earth tilt, it is summer in southern hemisphere, and in Antarctic near South Pole sun never sets, and at Arctic near North Pole the sun never rises. In June exactly the opposite happens. There are summer in northern hemisphere and winters in southern hemisphere. Arctic, which is near the North Pole, the sun will never set, and in Antarctic near South Pole, the sun will never rise in the month of June. In March and September, the sun shines equally on the entire earth. However, in March, there will be spring in northern hemisphere, and in September, there will be spring in southern hemisphere. In some planets such as Mercury, Venus and Jupiter, they have axes which run straight up and down and there is no tilt. Uranus has the largest axial tilt in the solar system. Its axis is tilted about 98 degrees, so its north pole is nearly on its equator. So what caused Earth to tilt? Long ago, when Earth was young, it is thought that something big hit the earth called Theia and made it lean over a bit. This big hit sent a huge amount of dust and rubble into orbit. Most scientists think that this rubble in time became our moon. So I am sure with this you had a good insight of what is earth axis and what is axial tilt. In part 2, we will learn and make a working model to represent this tilt. So keep tuned and subscribe the channel. Bye bye for now. Take care.